Hello, Casper here. Welcome to the channel. We are going to look at uranium midweek. Looks absolutely fantastic. This might be the most bullish midweek or any video that I've done on uranium for a very, very long time. We're going to look at ETFs, ratios, spot price, all that good stuff. What has happened for the past 3 trading days. They have been good. I also did a video on uranium miners in Canada, US, and a video on uranium miners in Australia. Go check them out. They were out last Monday, I think. This Monday, excuse me. So definitely go and check them out. You can follow me on Twitter, YouTube. You know what to do. I don't want to get into it. I want to get straight into the business, which is uranium. Let's have a look. URA. Look at what we have here, guys. I'm excited, and it takes a lot to get me excited. Long-term golden trend line. Boom. I would have preferred a touch here, as you know, but we don't have that. And look where we are today. That's stunning. Really is. We have really, left this $24 zone in the dust, and we're going higher here again. I'm expecting a pullback at any moment. I thought we would have it last week, but no. I like it. Enjoy the ride. It will be very difficult to sit tight in this one. Also, very quickly, want to show you just to you can see maybe the blue like this. Just forget all the other drawings that we have there, or you can see here, going to the daily, we have just right there, we have just begun the bull market for uranium on a raincoat, on a raincoat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If I sound a bit tired, it is because I am. I just got home from doing a lot of exercise and I'm an old man, so it is what it is. What is also insanely nice is URNM. Again, checking out yet another high. The first one was here. Actually, it was here, but then we have one here taken out now. Again, we are going to touch that upper triangle, start right there at 50, and then we will see what happens. 30 weekly is just starting to turn up now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. URNJ, all the hard stuff has been done. We're going to visit the IPO high here at some point in time, and then we will see what happens. Again, it looks fantastic. Also fantastic. Oh, I just saw it today. Oh, Jesus Christ. Almost crying. No, I'm not. Yeah. It the uranium, excuse me, Sprott Physical Uranium Trust taking out the $20 level with momentum. Do we have volume? Yes, above average. I like what I see, guys. I really, really do. Look at this. It's the 15-year long trend, excuse me, support and resistance zone that we are leaving behind right now. 15-year long, and we have the highs here at roughly, let's call it 37, and we are at 20. Well, above 20, but fantastic, 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 fantastic. Again, XLE divided by the SPX. So the overall energy sector divided by the SPX. Which one is outperforming? Clearly, well, XLE is outperforming SPX still, and will continue to do so in this decade. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Also stunning, XLE divided by URNM. So we would want this ratio to go down, meaning URNM is outperforming XLE. And remember this beautiful banana that I drawn here when we finally broke out. And now we have confirmed that XLE finally took out these two low here and that rounding top that I thought was going to play out. And we are now going lower again with the pullbacks. Yes, 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 yes. I know. But the trend is down. 30 weekly coming down. Again, we just looked at XLE outperforming SPX, and now we have URNM outperforming XLE. You do the math. It's beautiful. Again, what's also beautiful, again, all the charts here are just insanely, insanely bullish. I know. Yeah, it's fantastic. Golden trend line taking out, and that's a resumption to the upside. The initial breakout was here, a bit of a wiggle here, and now, boom. URNM outperforming the uranium spot price. This is a weekly chart. Remember, this is a 2-year long since the top. So this is 2 years worth of, going down. And we are finally, we are there. Again, what's also here is the URA divided by the spot price. The URA is only 70% uranium and then has some solar stuff into it. So it has been lagging a bit. But again, today here, guys, beautiful green weekly candle. Again, let's wait for the weekly close to confirm all this. Looks fantastic. There is your neckline. There is your breakout. Inverted head and shoulders. Stunning. Also stunning. Again, yeah, I can go on here. URA divided by overall commodities. We've been looking at this ratio for the past 2-3 weeks, excuse me. The long-term support and resistance level at roughly 0.0834. That's a long number. Anyways, here it is. Support. Fourth breakout, huge wick. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 weekly closes above that long-term trend line. The 30 weekly is coming up here again. URA is on the verge of outperforming overall commodities big time here. Big time here. Stunning. And again, also stunning. URA, look at this, guys. That's a massive weekly breakout of a consolidation against the SPY. So URA against the SPY. And now URA is outperforming the SP 500 again. I'm just a little guy sitting in my room here doing these things. There are some bigger players out there looking at the exact same thing, and they will now add more money into URA or energy than the SPY. It is that simple, and that sounds very good to me. URA against the Nasdaq. It did break down here, as you know, but now we're coming straight up with vengeance. And the 30 weekly is still coming down here, so I expect maybe some sort of pullback to get that thing going. But again, it looks fantastic. Also, you could argue some sort of cup and handle here. That would actually be very, very, very bullish if that were to play out. Then we could do the measured moves. But let's draw that in if that is really is what is going on, right? But again, short-term heavy outperformance by the URA over the Nasdaq. Stunning. Uranium or URA divided by Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? As mentioned previously, Bitcoin has been the best performing asset for the past, 10 years, 13 years. And we are now very close to starting to outperform Bitcoin. So URA is on the verge of outperforming Bitcoin when we take out that golden trend line. We are above this horizontal. There it is. You can see it almost, again, tagged, breakdown tagged above. We are above that 0.0008 ratio level. And if we get a breakout above there again, I love it. Let's just look long-term at the uranium spot price here. I think we are going to grind higher and kiss that Fukushima high at 33. And then we will see what happens. Again, from a technical point of view, you should have a big-ish pullback before you can go again. But again, the sector is so small that I don't know. But from a technical point of view, that will be a lot of resistance here, and we could pull back to like this high here at 64, so like $10 or so. But let's see. It looks strong. The uranium spot price divided by silver. Again, it looks like we're trying to form. This is a bear market for uranium. And ever since, sideways action. And I think this is a wick-off accumulation pattern here. Again, I'm not that good at it, so please correct me if I'm wrong. But there are a lot of springs here that are setting up. Again, taking out that 2.8 ratio level, meaning the uranium spot price will outperform silver. Beautiful. What has already started is uranium outperforming gold. Imagine that. Uranium is outperforming gold with this beautiful breakout. And we have I wouldn't say minor, but we have one going across here. which you could argue again, yes, inverted head and shoulders. If it is really, if that is a neckline, again, we have broken the neckline as well. Again, even the uranium spot price against like silver and gold looks fantastic. All over fantastic. You know, these ratios that we cover 2 times per week, every single one of them is bullish right now. Maybe this is the turning point for the pullback with this video getting released. I don't care. But for right now, it looks fantastic. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Again, if there's a ratio that we need to add in, let me know. Maybe we will do that. But again, go uranium looks fantastic. Again, sit tight and be right. It will be difficult, but the next few years should, in my view, again, that's my opinion only, should reward the uranium investors heavily. Cheers.